Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video. So today guys, we're gonna be doing a little cosplay. So I'm gonna be transforming into Jareth from Labyrinth. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you know that movie. I feel like almost like a fake because I've never watched this movie. Oh my gosh. I need to watch it though. I'm gonna see if it's on Netflix or something, but I know who this is. The Goblin King, Jareth, David Bowie. I feel like everyone knows who it is, but have you seen the movie or not? Yeah, so I never did, but I'm still gonna do a transformation into him because I think his whole costume and makeup is super like iconic and just super fun to look at as well. I'm teaming up with fun.com. Basically it's like the sister company of Halloween costumes. So I got to pick out some costumes and then this is the one I picked out from the Labyrinth. So I have the costume and then I also got his wig. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. I'll show you these on and tell you my thoughts about it, and then we're gonna get into the actual transformation on the face. This is what you get with it. You get the jacket here, like this shiny cape. It's pretty long as well, but I'll try everything on in just a minute. The only thing I will say is that for me, and I don't know if I'm not measuring right or just like not taking the time to measure my body, but sometimes the sizing is like really off. This one I got a medium in the guys section. So sometimes I find like the guys costumes almost fit me a little bit better. The other piece you get is kind of like, it almost looks like a little bib, like a little vest or something. It just clips up behind your neck and then it goes over your chest portion. It has a nice little brooch here and then it just ties up on the back. So there's that. It also comes with a belt. This goes around the pants and then your waist, and it's just Velcro as well. What you get is a pair of pants. These pants are really nice. They feel really nice. It's like a velvety feel. So I'm gonna get the pants on and I'll come right back with that. The pants, they do have an elastic waistband, so that's good. So this part just clips onto your neck, well, Velcros onto your neck, I mean, and then you just take these strings and just tie it up right in the back here. Here's the belt, and I kind of tucked this in when I was wearing it, and then I took the belt and just kind of went over top like that. And then the last thing we have is the cape. The cape, I personally like the cape the best. I think it's the coolest thing. There's the big fluffy arms, the sequins, and then there's the shoulders that kind of puff out on the side. Here's the wig. It's exactly spot on. The only thing that was kind of weird about the wig is that there were, like, so these are just the longer pieces that dangle down, but in the back there was like two straggle pieces. It was super weird. They didn't form well onto the side, so I ended up just cutting those off. But yeah, that's the wig, and you'll see that when I do the final video. The only thing about the neck portion here is I do wish there was a little bit of like extra Velcro, maybe one on here and then one a little bit closer, so you can make the neck portion a little bit tighter, just because it kind of droops down. Like this is on, see what I mean, how it's droopy? Like if it was able to come up a little bit more, I think that would look a little bit better. But yeah, that is the outfit. So now we will go into, ooh, I love these. Now we will go into the transformation. That is it guys, so thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know in the comments if you ever want to see something. I always feel like at the end I'm always talking so fast and I'm out of breath. I need to take a breath. That's what I need to do. Just like calm down a bit. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, leave a comment. I'll always look at those. You can also subscribe, hit the little red button, or you can also hit the notification bell. You're gonna hit both so you can be notified every time I post a video, which is every Sunday. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.